Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to add agents on Wazuh. Before we begin, make sure you have already installed Wazuh on your virtual machine. If you haven't installed it yet, you can watch my previous video of complete Wazuh installation. You can click on the I button on the top right corner, watch the video. Now let's understand what exactly is Wazuh agent. A Wazuh agent is a small software installed on the endpoints of machine. The work of the agent is to monitor system activity, detect suspicious behavior, and sends logs to Wazuh Manager. As an example, if someone tries multiple failed login attempts on Windows, the agent detects it and sends logs and sends alert. So let's get started. Open your browser, log into your Wazuh, click on deploy new agent. Select which OS you want to add as an endpoint. We will be adding Linux and Windows as an endpoint. First, let's go with Linux. I'm going to add Kali Linux as an endpoint. Click on which package you want to download. Assign the server address. So this is the server address. Check the remember server address. Next, assign agent name. So I'll keep Kali1 as an agent name. Keep the group default. So this is the command you have to paste in the terminal with privileges. To start an agent, you have to use these commands on the terminal. To install the agent, paste it on your Linux machine. Give privileges to your terminal. Now paste the command. Enter. It will now install the agent. Now go to your window. To start the agent, copy this command, paste it on your Linux machine. I think the work is done. Now let's go to your Wazuh and check that the agent is. Now you can see that a Kali Linux agent is now active and the status is here activate shown. Now click on Kali Linux operating system. Now you can check its ID, status, IP address, the version and the operating system, and this is my laptop specifications. So now we are going to add a second endpoint, which is Windows endpoint. Click on deploy new agent over here. Select this Windows package MSI. This is the server address. Assigned an agent name. I'll keep print10 as it's asking you the agent name should be unique. I'll keep the group name as default. And I'll copy this command and paste it on my Windows virtual machine. Okay, open your Windows virtual machine. So open your PowerShell. Run it as an administrator. Give it permission and copy paste the command which I have copied from the Wazuh agent deployment section. Now paste the command which we have copied from the notepad and hit enter. Okay, now the agent is now installed. So to start the agent, use this command net. Now we can see that a Windows agent is also now active. So to check that both agents are working or not, we will go to explore page and discover. To check that we are getting the logs or not, we will check the agent IDs. Like 001 and 003. 001 is for Kali 1 and 003 is for Windows 11. Now go with discover. On agent ID, we can check that the logs are arriving or not. So 003 is giving 47% logs and 001 is also giving 31% logs. So just click on this plus icon, add it as a filter. You can use it parse logs. There are various types of fields available. You can add index, agent ID, agent IP. You can add the agent name. There are various kind of. So according to it, you can parse the logs. That's all.